In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful, all of us have dreams, all of us have goals, all of us want to have something. We want to live an ideal life. That's with almost all of us. Although the kind of things we are dreaming for differs, mine is different, your will be different. And there are certain or maybe many common things as well. Or at least the purpose is very common. The purpose is to be able to live well, to be able to live happily, enjoyably, comfortably. As far our dreams and our goals are concerned, we can achieve that, and many of the people are achieving it. We too, in our previous life, have achieved something else. Not necessarily all what we wanted to achieve, but at least certain desires of ours were met. We achieved certain things, one thing or the other. Actually, a thing usually becomes achievable, doable, once we are found making it more doable, more practical, more pragmatic, being more pragmatic. How to make it more feasible, more doable? That's, I think, we need to talk today, dear friends. Have you seen the slaughter and the cutting of an animal? We, the people in Pakistan, usually see the chicken being slaughtered and cut. But as for the cutting of the lambs or the bulls are concerned, cows are concerned, many of us watch it on the Eid ul Adha day, dear friends. I think we need to learn something from it. What is there to learn for us? There are many stages, several stages of cutting and preparing an animal. Many stages for cutting and cooking of an animal. No, it is slaughtered once, the skin is removed then it is cut into the major pieces, like four legs are cut, separated, detached, then the neck, the torso. Now, these are the major items, major parts of that particular animal. Then comes to the cutting of all these parts of body parts of, like, the torso is being cut in a specific manner. Then comes the front leg, the rear legs. Every part is cut, made into small pieces in quite a technical manner. Those who are skilled in it, they do it very well. But those who are not so skilled, they cut it in an in a naive manner. They are not adept in it. For that reason, the cutting of this animal does not goes well. Dear friends, we need to learn, we need to understand, we need to get something out of this process. I think that as far our goals are concerned, as far our ambitions are concerned, as far our aims and desires are concerned, I think that we need to break it into this like pieces. And if at all we are cutting it as skillfully as the animal cutter does it, as the butcher does it, who is doing it on a daily basis, on a regular basis, and has become quite skilled in it. I think that we need to cut the animal of our desire, of our aim, our objective, our dream into the parts, and then each of the part should be further broken into the smaller pieces. Now come, this is like the planning, and this is like the programming, and if at all we have programmed it well, now it becomes more doable, now it becomes more achievable, and we can easily achieve, and we can easily do one small part of it at a time. So in the mean, we can cook it, we can eat, consume it, and likewise, if at all we have broken, if at all, as far our dreams and aims and ambitions are concerned, if at all we have cut it into the right sort of pieces, the pieces of the animal, I think so. It becomes more achievable, it becomes more doable, it becomes more feasible, because we are doing it in a right manner, in a systematic manner. As far our goals are concerned, our ambitions are concerned, I think all of these are quite doable, all of these are quite achievable, provided the kind of technique we have adopted for the cutting of an animal. I think we need to adopt the same technique here as well. It will definitely become achievable and doable. Thank you.